On the road, you have the ability to switch between different drive modes. Drive modes influence gear shifting strategy and IC behavior. Standard mode balances gear shifting strategy and IC strategy for a more balanced dynamic between drivability and fuel economy. IC is a function that analyzes the topography of the road ahead and dictates how the truck handles uphill climbs and downhill descents. It decides when and how the truck accelerates during the climb and when to stop accelerating during the descent. The exact process of how this is done is decided by which drive mode is currently engaged. When the IC system is activated, you will have a symbol in the display. IC is available in economy and standard drive mode.